What's up, everybody? I hope everyone's having an excellent day. This is just going to be a really quick behind-the-scenes shoot of a blog shoot that I just recently did. This is with the amazing Bree Johnson. You're going to be seeing a lot of her on this series, just because when it comes to building brands, you want to work with people that are building their brands and just being really simple about that. And Bree is just like an excellent businesswoman in the Atlanta area that I've been working with. And so what you're seeing now is that I am adjusting the scenery for her particular brand. So part of what her blog is that there's a monthly book, and so we just really wanted to put a lot of emphasis on making sure that we got some action shots with her working with the book in the foreground. I think that's foreground, and just like incorporating her into it. You want to make sure that you're telling that story every single time. And with our monthly book club, that's a real passion project for us. So I just wanted to make sure she had some really dope shots, some really nice poses for this. When you're working also in like a small location like a coffee shop that we're in right now, you want to make sure that you have a really high aperture for your camera. That's just how you can blow out the background, and we're going to see that in just a second as these pictures pop up. In 3, 2, 1. A little early. Yeah. So having that, being able to use a 1.4 or 1.8 aperture on your camera really just opens up a realm of opportunity with like what you can do in your photo shoot, especially when you're in like a coffee shop. There's a lot of people. You don't want to get random people into your shot. So now we're moving outside. You just want to get some like nice little lifestyle shoots. I'm just kind of like scoping out the area real quick. Walking over here, I went over there. I was like, don't really like it. But as I was walking back, I did kind of see like the overlap of like the entrance, and so like there's a lot of nice leading lines, and so we decided to take some time to use that and use basically this window right there. So like you can kind of see the shape of everything, and we got some really dope shots from this. And so like when you have like a small location, make sure you're getting the most out of the location. It doesn't have to take very long. I think this whole shoot took us like not even an hour, maybe like 45 minutes. I don't even think it was 45 minutes, but you kind of see like we just kind of used this. The only thing I would have changed, if I could have moved those cars in the back of that last shot, I probably would have had those cars moved. But we do what we got to do. Also, respect the details that the person have brought with them for like a blog type shoot or whatnot. That bag right there, it has a purpose. That shirt, the logo on it, it has a purpose. That jacket, it has a purpose. So you want to make sure that you really like show off every single thing that you can. That's how they can just use as many images as possible, and you're just really telling that story really well. And I'm showing her some pictures right now, reviewing. I think I was adjusting my lighting just a little bit. The overcast was a little bit too dark for me at one point, but that's also a benefit of being outside. You have naturally diffused light, so you get a nice even light all over the person's face. And so just switching over to this side, just kind of getting the most out of the environment. As you can see, boom, like blog shots, her working, business, brand. That's all we wanted to make sure that we keep showing. And so since we had this nice little overlay up top, don't get hit by cars. No. Since we had this nice little overlay up top, I wanted to make sure that we were just like using those lines to really like tell that story. And so like you can see it right here, just great, love it. Just a lot of really dope lines to lead to her. But like that's honestly how this shoot wrapped up. I ended up getting just a few more shots. Just wanted to like show the bag, like just pose a little bit more. Well, that wraps everything up. YouTube, if you like this type of shoot, let me know. Make sure you like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching again. See you next time.